Hey there, loves. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Lateisha, and on this channel we do everything home when it comes to cleaning, decorating, cooking, you name it. Once it has to do something with the home, we do it all. We also do some lifestyle over here, so if that's something you're interested in, then please consider subscribing to my channel as well as liking this video if you do enjoy it. In today's video, we're going to be refreshing the second portion or the main portion of the patio as well as sprucing up the backyard. We finally have a day of summer, y'all. The entire weekend was hot and then we went back to raining, but nonetheless, we actually had some sunshine, so we are going to make the best out of this. As you guys can hear, there are multiple lawnmowers going at once. That's because every single neighbor is outside cleaning up their yard and cutting the grass. It's like everybody was so excited for this sunshine and this hot day that everyone came out at the same time. It is literally after 8 o'clock, and even though it is still a little shaded on the patio, it was extremely hot. Not complaining because I actually enjoyed this. The Caribbean in me was like, yes, finally some sunshine. So everybody is out. It's really loud, but it is a very nice work day. Everybody was stopping by, saying hello, and it was just really nice to be outside and not have to just sit under the patio because it was just pouring rain. Because I maintain this portion of the patio, I didn't have much weeds to pull because y'all, that DIY weed killer is the truth. Okay, I spray this side of the patio regularly. Okay, I just really need to get out and just refresh the area, get rid of any little weeds that may have been trying to poke their heads out, as well as the ones that dried up. So this portion is just going to be refreshed while the hubster is cutting the grass as well as trimming the trees over there because they got really tall and they're just out of control. So he's going to take care of the yard and I'm going to take care of the patio. Are you guys enjoying the ASMR or do you prefer music? Let me know in the comment section down below. Because we experienced a thunderstorm, my faux plants got pulled out of the soil due to all the heavy wind, but I'm just sticking them back in. I was going to add some stones on top because I have a bag of stones that I could add on top of it, but because I want to replace these faux plants, I think I'm going to hold out for a while before adding the stones to the pot. To help minimize the amount of bugs on the patio, I like to use an outdoor bug repellent. So there is a spray as well as a powder that you can use. I prefer the spray because I don't know, when I see powder, it just makes me want to sweep it away. So I like to use the spray instead, but it does come in a powder form if you guys want to use that instead. But I always rave about this product. It is really, really good and it works, y'all, and it lasts for a long time. We don't even get that much mosquitoes around our legs because maybe the scent is too strong. They do not land lower than maybe the top part. That's why I spray the walls and the curtains and all my faux plants as well. We have been unable to replace this rug as yet, especially because it's been raining so much and we hardly get outside to enjoy the patio. We just stopped searching for a rug, but I do want to replace this because I cannot get rid of that mark. I thought it was a watermark or something, but it's not going away. So in the meantime, I'm just going to put the table on top so we don't see it, but I want to replace this rug really, really soon because I want to add a pop of color. I have a really nice color in mind that I think will definitely suit the patio color scheme. So we're still looking for that, but in the meantime, I'm just going to add the table on top, y'all. I cannot stress about it. To wipe down my tabletops as well as the chairs, I'm just using my Sagriton with a napkin. And like I said before, this area is usually maintained, so all I have to do is get rid of the dust from the outdoor elements, and that's really it. So I'm just going to wipe everything down, not doing really much of a deep clean. It's more of a refresh, a patio refresh, just to make sure the space is nice and tidy for us to enjoy. I do plan to make or purchase a cushion for the egg swing, but in the meanwhile, I have this duvet insert that we use whenever we want to use the egg swing. So it's nice and comfy. It's very, very thick. It's one of our winter duvets, and I just have this one solely for the egg chair. and we only put it outside when we want to use it, and then we take everything back in. We do the same for our outdoor cushions. We always bring them inside by the end of the evening. I also plan to change the covers for the chair cushions as well. I just want a solid color, so I'm not sure which color I'm going to do as yet. When I get the rug, I'll be able to decide on the color for the cushions, but this one work. All I do is I wash the cushions every summer before we use them, and that is basically it. But I really want to change the color. We have reached the end of today's video. If you guys made it this far, please do remember to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and leave me a plant emoji. Just let me know that you guys made it this far and you have enjoyed the content. So until then, I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you guys for always supporting me. I love y'all so much, and I appreciate y'all so much, and I will see y'all in the next one. Until then, Auf Wiedersehen.